All right, guys, it's been about a month since we've done one of these, but we're getting back to Pieces of the Past Antiquity. So this is kind of a fun outside-the-box break that we do. No, not sports-related at all, but it is American and, I guess, British history. So there's all kinds of different relic pieces from U.S. history, from different events that happened all over the world and in Europe. And a chance to pull some autos, cut autos, and one-on-ones, which we have not done yet. So hopefully as we work through this case, we can do that out of this box. So it's a last name letter break. So Doug, you've got last name T. Harry's got C, D, F, G, I, O, U, N, V, and Y. James, you've got E and R. Jesse's got A and B. John A, you've got J and K. And then Michael H, you've got H. L as in Larry, M as in Mary, S as in Sam, and W. All right, let's see what we get. Who knows, man? You might get. We pulled some cool relics out of here for sure. Definitely a different type of break. All right, there's the empty box. Try to get these base cards in here first. All right, here we go. Base cards first. We got James Naismith, so there is sports related. We've got George Meade. Last name M on that. We've got Nikola Tesla. We've got Caesar Rodney, Declaration of Independence signer. We've got a Theodore Roosevelt, little Antiquity canvas card. All right, we got Napoleon Bonaparte, last name B on that one. And then we got a Leonardo da Vinci. So last name D on that one. All right, and those are the base cards. There you go, you got a T. All right, so here are the relics. We've got a George Washington in the news press, and it is a original newspaper from 1794 while he was serving as president. So that's pretty cool. So that'd be last name W. All right, then we've got another one in the news press clipping of women's suffrage. So that will be from 1917. And that will go, based on the encyclopedia, you'd find that in under W. So that'll be last name W. All right, then we got a stamp on our past. Champion of Liberty. And it's a Gandhi. An original stamp. It's 4 cents, so who knows how old this is. But it's going to be a Gandhi. Dude, that yeah, if that was his actual auto, that'd be amazing. Alright, then we got a John Quincy Adams, Pieces of the Past. And this is an actual piece of relic from John Quincy Adams. Looks like the tail end of America. And I think you can go to their website. They've got a website you can go to and figure out what exactly that's from. So that will be last name A. All right, and that will do it for Pieces of the Past. So we'll get those base cards, relics, and everything mailed out to you guys on Tuesday. And we'll do another box of this coming up here over the next several weeks.